Hey you, I have a new recipe that I can't wait to tell you all about. Today I am coming at you with a sweet potato protein smoothie recipe that has been one of my favorites that I've been enjoying lately. I love it because it's got everything that you need. It's got protein, it's got carbs, it's got some fat, and of course it's got some veggies. It's delicious. It's so great post-workout, or if you just need a quick and easy healthy breakfast on the go. If we haven't met before, my name's Heather. I run Fit Mama Real Food, and I love creating healthy, wholesome, family-friendly recipes that nourish you 100%, and that is what this recipe today does. So for this smoothie, I took some cooked mashed sweet potato, put some milk in the blender, some almond butter, some vanilla protein powder, some veggies in the form of frozen cauliflower rice. We blended up with some other seasonings, some ginger, some cinnamon, and it is so delicious. If you miss smoothies, but it's cold outside, this is the perfect one because it's got the ginger in there, so it's warming and nourishing at the same time. Here's how we make it. Okay friend, if you try this recipe, I want to hear about it. Can you leave a comment down below or go head over to the blog and leave a rating and review? Those mean so much to me when I see those comments come in. I love seeing recipes that you make in your kitchen. When you find a recipe that works for you and your family and you tell me about it, it brings me so much joy. So the full details, the full recipe can be found in the link down below, and you can print it, you can make it, and let me know what you thought. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you aren't missing any more of these healthy, delicious recipes that we've got coming up as we take on 2022. Thank you so much for being here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.